because it's not you people that is firing them. Our people, either they are afraid of ignorance. But you are the people now who is not here. You know the history. You are able to study the history and know the history and tell them. It's enjoying. The issue on it, I say, is how
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Igbanke king said. That Igbanke king is known as Eze Ota. He is the king of Ota village in Igbanke land. He said that they don't know if Igbanke youths are afraid or ignorant to speak up when the Oba of Benin suspended them. This is the issue of the youths of today. So many of them are only good dancing on TikTok, saying rubbish, doing irrelevant things and all that. If there is a trend in the country, dance trend, they go dance online. All this time when they talk for mouth, they go talk online. This actress do BBL, they go carry am for head. This one tape leak, they go carry am for head. Somebody say, send me the video. But Oba of Benin suspend their king. Oba of Benin suspend the kings of Igbanke people. They don't talk about that. Many they just keep quiet. Now we Igbo Unification movement. Now carry our page, our platform. They talk, they speak against them. They bust Benin people lie. We not there for Igbanke. We not be Igbanke people, but we are one people with them because all of us are Igbos. We were speaking up for Igbanke people, challenging Benin people, busting their lies. We not care what will happen. Because we not go feel they watch our people. They suffer marginalization. The power of a king is his people. King where they say in people not support them, you don't lose be that. As a people, you have to stand by your king during the time of struggles. They suspend your king, you not feel put camera for face talk. You not feel bust the lies of Benin Palace. Oba Benin they claim say na in crown on our kings. Say na Benin get on Allah, say na Benin found on Allah, say on our kings get Benin origin. None of you have the mouth to speak up because so many of them don't believe all those Benin lies. Many of them don't believe say Benin I found the Igbanke people. And I don't blame those youths because it's all these Igbanke people that caused it. Because in the past, you people were claiming that you people are Benin, you are this, you are that, you migrated from Benin. And with that, so that youth carry that mentality. Yes. This is why it's expected of us to be telling our children their true history. Making our children to understand where they belong. There was never a time Igbanke people benefited from Benin, but because of all these lies where Benin people don't take brainwash them. Now, why many of those you they believe say they be Benin people? If not be say they suspend the kings of Igbanke people, so many Igbanke people not gonna say they not get Benin origin. Yes, as they suspend the king, they not say oh we not be Benin people safe. Why? We they online they tell them their history, they bust the lie of Benin people. Just like Igbanke politicians. Now those Igbanke politicians they go they tell people say Igbanke is of Benin origin because why? They get work where they work for Benin where they say Benin they pay them. They pay them 200,000, 100,000 for their political work. They mumu, they go, they talk lie, they talk rubbish as Igbanke history. They talk say Igbanke people na Benin. There was a man from Igbanke. His name is Emeke. He said in the video when one cripple from Benin interviewed him and asked him where did Igbanke people migrate from? Who are Igbanke people? This man, because this Igbanke man was working in Benin. He get position where he get for Benin like one civil service work when they work for them. This man said that Igbanke people are Benin people. He said that Igbanke people are not Ika people, that they are just Igbanke. And by origin, Igbanke people are Benin. He said that Igbanke people migrated from Benin. This is what we are saying. Say now, so many of these elders now be the problem of Igbanke people. Now them make Igbanke they believe say they be Benin people. Evil elders everywhere because of the small thing where they give am. You take because of say that they pay you peanuts. They talk rubbish as Igbanke people history. What is Benin about Igbanke people? Nothing. Nothing is Benin about Igbanke people. But that man, because of selfishness, greed, self-centeredness, stomach infrastructure, he said that Igbanke people are Benin origin. And Igbanke youth, when no one make research, when no know him left and right, could believe that rubbish where that man talk. And during that time where that man talk this thing, Oba Benin never suspend the kings of Igbanke people. Igbanke youth believe them. When we were talking about that video, saying that this man is lying, so many Igbanke youth were in the comment section telling us, remove your man from Igbanke history. We Igbanke people are Benin people, then they talk rubbish. But immediately the Oba of Benin suspend their kings. They not fit talk. They keep quiet. As we Igbo Unification movement, when they stress the matter, they talk the matter, we not really leave the matter, we they talk and they talk and they talk. As we got the talk Igbanke history, they address the issue. Now waiting open so many Igbanke people, where they make them. They tell the world say they not be Benin people. Where they made them, they thought they be Igbo people. So many Igbanke people are now saying that they are Igbos, that they are not Benin people. Why? Waiting Igbo Unification movement they do. You should wake up. Focus on things that matter. No go like they dance online. If not to the dance online, Asabian. If not to catch cruise, Asabian. I do comedy. But I leave all those things because all those things not get head. What is the essence of dancing online? Catching cruise. And things are spoiling back home. You don't like the dance, your place not good. Light you not get, Fulani expense everywhere. No development, no infrastructure. You don't like the dance. TikTok is being created for two things: to educate people and to lead people astray. It's either you follow where they educate people for TikTok or you follow where they lead people astray. For TikTok, you get where they learn about medicals, how to better your life, jobs. The other part for TikTok now, they go just they take your time. You go just say that they watch people where they dance, they do irrelevant things where not go benefit you. That is social media for you. So I choose the right path by bringing the Igbo race together, doing everything for the sake of the Igbo race. Make Igbo land good. Don't be talking they catch cruise. You they catch cruise. Problem they your home. Oba Benin they suspend your king. You not fit talk. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Igbanke you should be ashamed of themselves. Say their kings they acknowledge people where they say they not come from Igbanke. Look at what the king said. Say now we not come from Igbanke, they speak up for them. Their youth not fit talk. The power of a king is his people. Defend your king. If to say federal government suspend the Oba of Benin, I know what Benin people go do. They not go agree. They go to protest, riot everywhere, scatter everywhere. Because of say federal government suspend their Oba. Even as Benin a dot kingdom, they still gamers stand with their king. During the time where the Oba of Benin suspended the Igbanke kings, there were Igbanke pages on Facebook. We know so many of them. They will be telling us in the comment section, remove your mask for Igbanke matter. You people are Igbo people from the southeast. Nothing concern we Igbanke people and you Igbo people. These pages are owned by Igbanke people. We know them. This will not be Benin sponsored page. These are Igbanke pages. If you tell us stay clear from Igbanke, if you are not from Igbanke, who are you to tell us where we belong? All those ones now the Ozwai where they Igbanke. Ozwai they pray about those people are the major Ozwai where they Igbanke. Fools. Person they do what you not you do for your king. You get mouth, come online, they talk rubbish without toilet when you come out. Ozwai. These are the mad people from Igbanke. Now, your king is not even acknowledging you, Igbanke people that are telling us, stay clear from Igbanke issue. We Igbanke people are not Igbos. Your king not the sinner because they believe say many of them are Ozwai. Person from outside, now your king they acknowledge. This one just say if to say we come from Igbanke, we go do pass like this. So many youths from Igbanke are afraid to speak up. They don't say they not be Benin people, say Oba Benin not get right to suspend them. But they don't have that courage to speak up. That one is number one. Number two, some people for Igbanke, some youths for Igbanke, those one are natural mumu. They don't feel reason. That's why they support Benin instead of to support their king. That's why they tell we when they speak up for Igbanke, say make we come out our those one are just why we inside. So I'm encouraging those Igbanke youths that are afraid to stop being afraid. Speak up. No, they fear nothing will happen. Don't be afraid. You are doing the right thing. Person who speak truth will die. Person who not speak truth will still die. Everybody will die one day. But speak the truth and stand for justice now we are alive. That is Igbo blood. We don't relent. We don't accept marginalization. Check for the whole Nigeria history. Now only Igbos they stand against marginalization for this country. Go ask British. British go tell you say the Igbo man is the most stubborn man in Africa. You can't control him. That is Igbo blood. So be like Igbo. Don't do that Yoruba people they fear up and down. Be strong, mount. That is why you are Igbo. Since Igbanke King start to the talk say Oba Benin not get power over them. What Oba Benin don't do? That is to tell you that even the enemy is afraid. All these Benin people they come online, they bark like wolf. How many of them don't see come Igbanke do anyhow? If you say the Benin person come Igbanke, they don't say, we want to arrest. Go flog that person cane now. Flog her. Because that person is very mad and stupid. They only the Benin land, they rant, they bark for that. They can't come to Igbanke land and try it. Because they too are afraid. Them they fear too. They Igbanke, speak up for your king, speak up for your people. Nothing will happen. Benin people they back say they go carry on and go court. They don't carry on and go the court. No, they're not fit. Because they don't say they did the wrong side. They just have to lie and support their Oba. That's how Benin people do. Anything Oba talk na truth to them. That's why you will see so many of them they mumu online. Instead of them to talk truth, they will tell you say na Oba get the whole Africa, na Oba get the whole world. Yet when the British invade Benin, now only Oba now go fight British. Why the whole world no follow Oba go fight? Is to tell you that Benin is just a dot. That their place, now be their place. They not get past like that. But Benin supported them even up to there. Still say that they own everywhere. That is them for you. May Chukwu bless Igbanke Kings for speaking up. May Chukwu bless the Igbo Unification movement for speaking up and standing with Igbanke people. Even up to today, so many Igbanke people not support the Igbo Unification movement. They not support say make Igbanke people join Anioma State because devious why. You know what make Igbanke people join Anioma State? Because of the small peanut joy they get from Benin. All these are evil politicians, self-centered people. The marginalization where they go for Igbanke, they pay them. How about Benin suspend your kings? You're not paying you. You still want to make you remain for those states. Egwo. That's why. Igbanke people are Igbo people. Anioma State is a southeast state. As Igbanke people they join Anioma State, they're not going to call themselves South people again, they call themselves Southeast. And when you hear Southeast in Nigeria, the first thing that comes to your mind is Igbo. So nobody can stop it, not even all these Igbanke politicians that are fighting Anioma State creation, that are fighting Igbanke people not to join Anioma State. All those politicians cannot stop us. So Igbanke youths, wake up. No they fear. Mount. No they fear. Nobody go beat you. Benin people not go fit do you anything. They can't. So stand by your kings in this struggle. May Chukwu bless the kings of Igbanke for standing up to defend themselves and the Igbanke land. May Chukwu bless every Igbanke people that stand with their kings, that support Anioma State creation, that embrace their Igbo identity. May Chukwu bless Akikowa sociocultural group in Igbanke that did the first press conference telling the world that Igbanke people are Igbos, telling the world that Igbanke people are not Benin people. May Chukwu bless Igbanke strategy group for organizing this last press conference by telling the world that Igbanke people wants to join Anioma State and be part of their brothers, the Igbo race. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiegwale.